What's going on, guys?
TCG Pack Battles.
Oh!
Let's go!
Oh my God! Back with another one.
All day long, rockin' and weaving, going tweet, 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 rockin' Robin, tweet, 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 rockin' Robin.
I gotta cut
tweet,
all of this out
tweet,
because
tweet.
this is all kind
Going down to Jaybird Street, bopping and weaving, go tweet, tweet, tweet.
Hey!
That's all he's got. All right.
Somebody else has to open.
Okay.
No, we didn't start
I
the video
know. I'm
yet.
just fucking with you, Kyle. What's up, guys? It's Robert, Vincent, and Kyle.
Robert.
Vroom.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Vroom, 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 vroom. I want you in my room.
It's boom, boom, boom.
Ah,
I want you in my room.
same there.
A boom, boom, boom. Everybody say way-oh.
Well,
We can't use any of this
why not?
because
It's like different songs chopped up. It's funny.
it doesn't matter.
You stupid fuck.
Whatever.
You stupid ass wipe. Alright, what's going on, guys? VRK Pack Battles back on the grind with another live action video for ye.
Live action.
It
Yes,
is the
sir.
moment.
We're not cartoons. This is live action.
Okay.
No CGI.
I pulled the
Master.
Somebody start. I started last time.
I just did.
Talking to the open backs.
Oh, open packs.
Shredder.
Open packs.
Oh.
Oh. Do you know Birdman's?
You know
Do you know Kyle's?
You know what's funny?
Tweet.
You know what's funny?
Oh boy.
My brother, like, you know, growing up and everything, always, like, for gamer tags and emails and stuff, always used, his Jaybird.
What? Why?
Because his name's Jesse.
Oh,
So Jaybird.
Well, now you can get K-Bird.
It's a real bird. Is that a bird? Yeah, it's Kyle's bird.
Oh, God. I hate you guys.
Get that bird back in the cage, Kyle. This is like,
Put its towel. It puts the towel over the cage to sleep the bird to bed. Oh, it's a bird.
I think a nice blue bird would be great.
Me personally, I'd want a cardinal.
You can't. Cardinals are wild animals.
Okay.
They're not domestic birds.
Oh, okay. Pokemon Go 4.
Figure it out.
Figure it out.
16.
10. 10 from the back.
Zatu.
Why are you doing that?
Slowbro. I don't know.
Weird.
Lunatone. Squirtle. Bidoof. Alex. Bibarel.
Spy barrel.
Mytan. Onyx. Malmetal.
Meow meow.
Meow.
Meow 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 tweet 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 tweet. Meow 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 meow. Do you think Morpeko flies?
Sometimes.
No.
Only when he's on the back of a bird.
Ooh, fletching. Save that for by Kyle. You got a ooh, Celebi. Save that for Kyle. It
It's
flies.
not a bird.
It flies. Ledian, it flies.
It's a bug.
Yeah.
Still flies. Now here comes another doo-doo pack. They should call this Kyle's box of doo-doo.
Pass me a hoodie over there.
Were you cold?
A little bit.
Just because the window's open. Fighting.
Psychic. Fire.
Magnemite. Psychon.
Well, wait, you gotta save that.
Bird.
Deduction kit.
Bird is the bird.
You gotta save this.
Oh no! I thought that was
That
a gold.
card.
I thought that was a gold card.
Whoa!
I was like, whoa!
Obsidian Flames.
It's like my brain registered the yellow color and the shininess.
That would have been the what?
Loser.
Shininess.
Shininess.
Steel.
Darkness. I have something, but it's probably stupid. Clefairy, Capsicid, Town Store, Cryagonal, Darmontan, Dartrix, Frogadier, Boundfleet, Diggersby, and absolutely.
You have something.
Yeah, I do.
A pile of shit.
It's better than anything you've opened.
I got an Execute.
And you got a bird coming soon.
You've got mail.
You've got Bird.
You want to fly
Bird.
like an eagle. Didn't they use that for the USPS? The Bluebird? No? I've got the PP.
It's not a bird.
I know, it kind of looks like it.
It's a. We have such good friends. Nosecast looks like you.
Oh, bird! It's okay, I'm Garchomp. You're stupid.
Good one.
Oh, look, you're hatching more eggs. Your bird's gonna lay eggs. We're gonna get you one that's pregnant. Look, Mommy, it's a whole family of birds. It's a bird sanctuary. I'm really mad.
I mean, keep saying it. It's just so funny.
Dude, I'm done.
Funny joke.
It's so funny.
I'm kidding.
Funny joke.
It's so funny. The more you know, isn't that the rule of comedy? The more you say it, the funnier it gets.
You're laughing. Oh,
I didn't do that.
I'm do that. Do that. Move that.
Moo dang.
Hollywood.
Halucha.
Wait, you're gonna pull the. Oh no, you're gonna pull it.
I get a Master Ball.
He did already.
It's gonna be an oddish.
Well, he already pulled it.
You can get another one.
No, he can't.
Sure you can. There's no rule saying Pokemon Company only puts one Master Ball.
Oh, okay. Well, what's the trend we've been seeing?
It's a trend, but it's just because of the odds. You could get more than one.
Okay.
It's only one.
That's not true.
Show me an instance where it's not. And don't give me one of those tools. Oh my god! It's a god pack! It's a god pack!
Diglett.
I still can't get like a Charizard though. You never know.
Totally.
You've pulled some.
I pulled
Been a long ass time. You'll have to buy it, then you'll pull it multiple times.
Alisand.
Scarlet Violet.
That was a weak ass Palisand. It was nice though. Good pull.
That's a crap. Water.
Well,
I don't know where. Oh, there you go. Stop. He's getting real bad now.
it's just old. That's Lugia.
Look, yeah, I've been waiting for that card. I never pull it.
My hands are dry.
Oh my god. Loser. Scan the QR code, guys.
Vista.
Vista, Vista. Slow. Lunatone. Chelsea. Charmander. Please pull a Pidgey. Please pull a Pidgey. Oh! Wrong guy.
I didn't hand it to you. He did.
I know.
Well, you handed it to me to hand it to him.
It's called plausible deniability.
What?
Plausible deniability.
What's the deniability?
What's plausible? I only know that for football.
What's it?
No, that's probable.
It's audible, not plausible.
No, isn't that when they talk
Football
about
is
if
audible.
if players might be able to play or not, they're probable or
No.
that's the thing.
Eligible.
No,
Okay.
you know what I'm talking about.
I don't smoke weed, so I don't know.
Okay.
You don't even know what you're talking about. I'm not talking to him.
Smoke weed every day.
Hey, Skarmory. I didn't see you tear it up. Twilight Masquerades.
Because these are my cards.
Oh. Fire.
Just fucking put your
It's
nasty
getting
ass
gay.
lips on me.
Ew. Ew.
Why your hands so hairy, dude? That shit hurt me.
Rug burn.
Because I'm a real man.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
I hope you don't care about reverses.
Oh, what the
What?
fuck is that?
Is that one of the masks?
Oh.
Something mask.
Cornerstone Mask Orgaporn
Agripon.
EX. Is it a good card?
No. I mean, it's it, but it's not probably worth a lot of money. Here you go. The whole foil came off.
Orgaporn.
Ogre porn.
Ogre porn. It's got donkey in it.
Orga porn.
Orga porn.
Hot, 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 hot.
Give me one of those. I don't want to take all of them.
The daughter.
The daughter.
The fuck is that?
That's Ditto.
What? Oh, there it goes.
Jesus Christ, have another beer. Ow! What the fuck was that for you?
Dingus.
Mandingo?
Dingus. Blitzel, yeah, Mask, Quaxley, Larvesta, Jasmine's Gauge, Registeel, Espathra, Spiel. Oh,
that's
slack
cool.
off.
Oh, you gotta get that.
No, it's mine.
No, that's guys.
If I get another one, maybe.
Guys, I got fire in my next 12 packs. What should I do? Silver Tempest.
He's just chilling. This is the stupidest Pokemon card ever. It has 60 health.
Fire.
Lightning. It has 60 health, and it has one move. It uses one energy called Take It Easy. Heals 60 damage from this Pokemon. During your next turn, this Pokemon can't retreat. That's it. It doesn't do any damage.
Take it easy.
Oh, we're done. Thanks for sticking around,
Oh,
guys.
we're done.
Peace.
Peace.
Peace and love. Peace and love.